Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best Nespresso machines. Starting at number 3. Nespresso D40 USBK Northeast. You know it's meant to be portable when it comes with a fold-down handle to move it. This compact machine has a small footprint, so it's easy to tuck away in a cabinet or in the pantry when not in use, yet it makes full-flavored espresso every time, with 19 bars of pressure to extract the full-bodied flavor you crave. This offers 2 coffee sizes with buttons for espresso and lungo, and it heats the water in 25 seconds, so you'll be sipping quickly. The tank holds enough water for 9 cups of coffee. You purchase it with or without an Arancino 3 that will make hot or cold milk froth for your coffee, or use it to make froth for the kids' hot chocolate for a special treat. You'll also get 16 Nespresso capsules, so you can try a variety of flavors to help you choose what you like the best. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Nespresso Lattissima Pro. A professional-grade machine for the home user, the Lattissima Pro offers the simplicity of Nespresso capsules and push-button selection, while looking quite impressive on the counter. It can whip up a wide variety of drinks, including ristretto, espresso, lungo, cappuccino, latte, hot milk, and hot water. If any of these terms are unfamiliar, check out our glossary of coffee drinks. Along with its ease of use, the item also works quickly. The thermoblock heating system turns cold water to hot in just a few seconds, brewing coffee much faster than you could with a manual espresso maker. After going through our testing process, our reviewer noted the item's customizable settings, something that further sets the Lattissima Pro apart from many one-touch coffee makers. Each of the coffee, water, and milk options can be adjusted for the desired volume, she wrote. While this might be too costly for the occasional espresso drinker, it will make a statement and produce excellent results without the need to learn the differences between brews. And number 1 of this list. Breville BNV220BLKUC. While it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Nespresso's Evoluo or Deluxe Plus, the Virtuo is still highly reviewed and offers an affordable package that includes the machine and an AEROCCIN03 milk frother. This single-cup brewer makes either coffee or espresso, and is designed for use with Virtuo capsules only. The machine uses barcodes on the capsules to change the settings to create the perfect cup every time, and it even makes crema on the larger cup sizes. Besides choosing between coffee and espresso, you can also choose the cup size from a tiny 1.35 espresso shot to a large 14-ounce cup for your travel mugger to share. Another reason we chose this item as the best combination is because you can choose the perfect bundle for your coffee needs. You can simply buy the Virtuo machine by itself, or you can select a 2-part bundle of machine and milk frother, or the machine and Nespresso capsules. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.